You know guys, so welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to Fabricland in Kingston, London. I never been there. I bought some fabrics for my new collection. Yeah, so yeah, let's go there. So I am Maria, I am an independent fashion designer. I have a brand, EM Designs. I make handmade clothes. So I live in London, but my background, I'm Portuguese, but my parents are from Africa, me as well. I'm from Cape Verde. So yeah guys, so thank you to follow my journey, my fashion journey. I'm coming down to the station, Finsbury Park station. I live in North London. I'm going to fabrics and material shop, daily basis basically, and this is a new one that I'm going to see what's going on there, what kind of fabrics they have there. I'm going to collect the ones that I bought online. Yeah, I want to see, I'm curious to see about them, about Fabricland. Online they have nice materials, nice prices as well if you are starting your fashion brand online. Yes, so keep them. Yeah, going here to the now guys, it's time to put my mask on because we're going to take the train. So I'm here. Basically we go in here. Basically this channel is to tell you my journey as a fashion designer, a black fashion designer in London. How is it going? Start your own fashion business from scratch with no funding, any help, nothing. So guys, I'm here on the train. It's not that busy, you know, it's not too busy, it's not overcrowded, as can you see. Yeah, so I'm going to Kingston, so it's my first time there. So I'm so excited because I love fabrics, I love to buy fabrics, and it's very important for you if you are a fashion student, self-taught designer, to understand the fabrics, to understand materials. Me, my journey as a fashion designer, it is quite well. Yeah, it's a bit hard, right? But you need to keep going. So I have my social media platform. I have my TikTok. I have here YouTube. My Instagram at the moment is down because it was hacked. Please guys, don't follow my Instagram at the moment because my Instagram was hacked by professionals on Instagram. They are trying to steal money. People should be careful. I'm not there anymore. They took over my Instagram. They are doing whatever they want. Please guys, don't follow me yet because I'm coming. I'm going to open a new Instagram account. Yeah, it was very bad, very shocking. It's very bad because all my followers, all my people, they gone, they literally gone. There's a lot of heavy people doing bad people, scamming people on internet. I don't believe in anything on internet, people saying how to get money very quick using Bitcoin. So it's a lie, it's fake, so be aware of this. A lot of scamming is going on at the moment on Instagram. My life is like this, but I need to keep going. So I have some new clothes to make, to put out there, so nice clothes. So we are coming to pick up some fabrics. I'm so excited because as well it's about feeling good about yourself, feeling comfortable, feeling classic and chic, elegant. Yes. We are here in Vauxhall. I'm here. Yeah, now I'm going to take another train. So yes, I'm going to Kennington Lane, South Lambeth Road. Yeah, I'll show you. You can see here. So guys, it's long time. It's been a long time that I don't take the train. So the lady said to me platform 8, so I'm going to number 8. Yeah, I don't know nothing about this station, about this area. Yeah, because I am in South East London. Yeah, and me, I am from North London. I'm waiting for my train, so this is my first time here in this place. I don't know anything. I'm lost, completely lost. No, I'm joking. So I'm waiting for the next train. Yeah, we're going there to see the fabrics, what they have there, collect my fabrics, to keep going with my collection. It's not a collection. I'm always saying collection, but it's not a collection. It's our train. We don't care about fast fashion. We don't care about this kind of things. We care about quality. We care about sustainability. We care about less is more. We care about being different. We care about uniqueness. We care about value. Fashion is to bring value. Yeah. I'm on the train. I sit pretty and nicely. So let's go to our journey. I'm so excited to know this shop, Fabricland. I never been there, so I'm so excited. I can't wait to see my fabrics and to see what they have there. Today the weather is cloudy. Okay, I'm here at Kingston, so now we're going to walk to Fabricland shop. So I'm going to leave the station now. Hey guys, I stopped to get a coffee, a mocha. I love mochas. They are very nice, so I'm going to drink my mocha and keep going. So the shop is nearby, so like 3, 4, 5 minutes walking. So now I need to find out where is the shop. We are here in the main road. The sun is out finally. Guys, we are getting here. Fabricland is just there. Not that big. It's a nice shop, so they have a lot of fabrics here. I'm going to show you some. We have here some fleece, winter. We have fleece for winter. We have some fur, fall sleeve. So guys, so I'm going to collect my order. Yes, this is a nice shop to come. Yes, I'm going to collect my order now. Hi guys again, so now we're going to unpack our parcel from Fabricland. I'm so excited to share with you the fabrics that I bought there from the new collection. For the new collection, it's not a collection, it's more statement pieces. So I'm going to share with you. Let's unpack this to see what's going on here. This parcel is so big. I brought him from all the way from Kingston to Fabricland Park to my home because I work at the moment at home. I don't have atelier yet, a space, so yeah. Unfold everything, you know. But you can see mainly winter materials. Yes, winter is coming. I unwrapped everything, so I'm so happy for my for my materials. I love the color, nude color. I love, and the quality is what I was looking for. So yeah, I recommend Fabricland. So I really like them. So let's go, guys. So we're going to keep going with collection. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, the experience was very nice. I'm very satisfied with my the fabrics that I ordered from Fabricland. So if you need to order some fabric, you know already, you can go there to collect, or you can pay the shipping. Yes, but if you order more than 70 something pounds, you can have free shipping. Yeah, but me, I decided to go there because I'm on saving mode, so I'm saving money, so I want that. Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, I'm going to keep creating, and stay tuned. Bye guys, see you on the next video.